Hello everyone, so I'm at Wangsa Malawati here. I'm going to visit this cowboy coffee, Lujayn coffee, started by this chap named Muhammad Hazril. I read about his story in Says. He only opens 4 hours from Tuesday to Sunday just to fund his wedding. So let's see whether his coffee is any good lah. Gee, I need a shot because I plan to work late tonight also. So let's just go and see him lah. Micro scale.
Yeah, everything has to scale.
Okay, very precise, huh?
Because that's the recipe.
Ah. Will I regret my decision? Will I regret my decision not to put sugar?
No. But basically our beans is like more to acidic type. So basically it will be like sourish, and you can say there's a little bit of berries taste and floral.
Oh, so I'm supposed to taste berries and a bit sour lah.
Yeah.
Ah, I see. Okay, that looks good. So how do I pronounce the name? Lujayn.
Lujayn's coffee.
Lujayn.
Yeah.
Oh.
This one also just accident pagi tadi.
Oh.
No.
Baru dapat pagi ni? Accident
pecah.
pecah. I ingat ni pattern weh. Kenapa pecah?
Baru tadi jatuh.
Aduh.
Basically jatuh, so pecah. Basically ialah kaca kan. Cannot do anything.
Okay guys, I actually butchered the beautiful name. It's pronounced Lujayn. Don't simply pronounce. It's his Mr. Hazril what niece name, right?
Yeah.
So this is americano. Recommended to take it in ice. The barista recommend me to take it in ice. So taste profile is supposed to be sour, a little bit sour and what
Berries.
berries ini sour ni yeah. It's not too strong. The one that I'm used to is quite strong, but this one not. This one is quite mild. The beans are from local roastery yeah. Beans are from local roastery. Ghostbird. Yeah, Ghostbird. Okay. Come to Lujayn's coffee. Okay, so he's making my creamy Irish latte.
Baru sampai kita makan rumah tu makan je lah. Baru total. Tak luar tak area rumah tu lah. Macam mana? Kau tu yang kau tak lepak aja lah. Itu kita boleh discuss ke? Apa lah? Dia okey tu dia pasal lah.
So barista recommended that the latte is enjoyed cold. Just trust your barista. They know their beans better. So this is a creamy Irish. Never heard of this flavor, so I just try lah since I'm here. So tonight 2 cups of coffee.
And then
Oh.
everyone must try marriage. Sebab you kalau pergi mana kopi tu, you tak akan jumpa Myride. Ada but only.
I see.
What do you think?
Okay, this is good. I like the milky taste. This is really, really good.
But the beans, even though when it
The creamy taste, yeah, and it's not too sweet. I don't like sweet coffee. I always drink black, but this is really this because the beans. I think due to the beans, it's not too sweet. So, like I said, trust your barista. Petronas Wangsa Melawati, right? Then come here. Right across the streets, this is Lujayn's coffee. So Mr. Hazril is there. So what do you serve here? What's your specialty here?
what's my specialty
Ah.
in coffee?
Yes.
Or,
It's like
actually, no specialty also lah. Basically, I'm still a beginner in coffee industry.
tak apa, bahasa Melayu je, tak apa.
So basically, we still experiment a lot of, as in still experimenting a beans lah. Beans tu banyak variety kan.
Oh, jadi tengah buat eksperimen dah ni.
Now memang kita buat eksperimen beans lagi sebab for now kita tak ada banyak kenal coffee industry. So kita kena do research and kena explore more lah.
Okay lah. Jadi dah berapa lama buka sini?
4 months I guess. Baru
4 bulan. Oh, tahniah. Jadi kenapa boleh terfikir nak buka kedai tepi jalan macam ni?
Actually kita pun tak nak pun sebenarnya buka tepi jalan because one thing kita fikir, so kalau boleh memang I nak ke arah kedai, but yalah kita pun tak ada duit sangat kan. So nak ke arah kedai memang susah, so kita cuba this method. Kita cuba cari something yang kita boleh slowly fund untuk apa yang kita punya target lah. But for now I'm funding for my marriage untuk kahwin. But after that we might consider cari kedai lah.
Tahniah, semoga berjaya. So siapa yang nak datang kan sini Lujayn's Coffee ni di Wangsa Melawati, you boleh Waze Myride, Bespoke Myride ya. Nanti saya akan share location. Lepas tu Lujayn's Coffee punya Instagram pun saya akan sharekan. Datang jumpa Encik Hazril, support.
Okay, thank you.